Hi, I'm Jamie from Collingwood Lighting. In this video, we're going to be running through our Collingwood residential floodlights. This is our residential floodlight, and there is quite a lot that's special about these products. Our Collingwood residential floodlights are the most efficient in the market by far. By this, I mean they have a market-leading efficacy of up to 130 lumens per watt, compared to a market average of around 80 lumens per watt, which in engineering terms is like the difference of going to the moon and going to Mars. So for the consumer, they are going to see their energy bills drop through the floor. They are color switchable between 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin and 6500 Kelvin. So this one product fits many requirements. There is an IP rated seal on the back of the product to allow the color temperature to be changed easily. Only one product is needed on the shelf or in the van to cover a huge range of requirements. These Collingwood residential floodlights come in two different wattages, 10 and 20 watt. This one I'm holding here is a 20 watt. Both of the different wattages come with a PIR sensor. These floodlights are capable of performing in all sorts of weather conditions, with temperatures ranging from -40 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius. Not only that, these have a corrosion-resistant protective paint coating on the metal construction, so they are perfect for using in coastal areas where there might be salt water. PIR means a passive infrared sensor. It uses infrared technology to detect motion in the surrounding area and only activates when it is required. For example, these are good for installing where you want to add safety and security to outside spaces like parking areas, driveways and entrances. PIR sensors help to cut down on nuisance tripping from general movement. This sensor is fully adjustable, allowing the option to point and trip the sensor in one direction and illuminate another. For example, the sensor could be pointed to a door so that when a person exits the building, a separate walkway is illuminated, increasing safety. The PIR sensors are also IP65 rated too, so it has optimum protection against the impacts of rainwater and general weather conditions. These here are toggles. These are all adjustable and you can customize settings on the PIR sensor like the motion sensitivity, lux levels and time required to stay on. And as you can see, each option has a symbol clearly marked from increasing to decreasing settings of each function. There is also a manual override function which disables the PIR when required. The floodlights come with a 3-year extended warranty. These are flicker-free, giving visual comfort. They have such a low flicker rating that they can be used with CCTV cameras to give a crisp image, opposed to a wavy image that you can imagine. With this slim design, it is fully rotatable and tiltable. This is adjustable by 180 degrees, and the floodlight can be positioned in any direction and rotated by 360 degrees. For any floodlight that can't be tilted and turned, you need to install it in the exact place where it's needed. With Collingwood, you don't have to worry about that. Collingwood floodlights are the easiest to install in the market. This circular bracket is detachable and can be mounted to the surface before the rest of the floodlight, which results in an easy installation. So rather than having to get up the ladder with the whole floodlight, your tools and fixings, you can just mount this to start with. It's also circular, which means you don't need to get your spirit level out. Then all you do is grab the screws and attach the bracket. This is also known as a first fix plate. You also get a 1 meter flex cable to make it a bit easier. Those are a few of the reasons why it's not a standard floodlight. The Collingwood products are a bit special. And don't worry, they don't cost the earth either. Visit your local Screwfix store to purchase these residential floodlights.